got no gas in it. I don't know when that cut out, but if you squint, she's mint. Hello! There was a collision today involving our Ford Flexxx, specifically between the parking structure at the world famous West Edmonton Mall and our radio antenna, which mounts right here. I'm not sure how I'm going to fix this. It almost looks like it's meant to shear off here. So I'm hoping that I can extract this without too much trouble. It feels fairly loose. And I'm not sure, I may have to just replace the entire antenna. I'm not sure if this is an adapter that I can remove or not. But first things first, try and get this out. A variety of little tools here, and I'm old, so I'm going to have to take off my glasses now. But that is quite loose in there. Yeah, if we get it just right, we can get it to move. Oh, I made it move back in. Now if this was tighter, we could maybe use a hacksaw or a cutoff wheel or something to cut a slot in here, and then we could get it out. But definitely wants to go in more than out. We just do this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Almost. Yep. Awesome. Okay, good. So that went well. On to the next part of the challenge. All right, so what's my end plan here? I was able to find this little adapter from an old antenna kit that I had laying around, and wouldn't you know, this is the M5 by 0.8, 0.8? Yeah, 0.8 thread end, and this is exactly what's in the roof there. The other end is an M6 by 1. So my thought is that I can tap this out to M5 0.8, cut this off, thread it in, maybe some Loctite, job done. If that fails, I can, and I can't tap this properly, whatever, I can cut it, and maybe use M6 1.0 in this end, and just use it kind of as an adapter. But I'm going to try first to get it to M5, which means we need a bigger drill bit. All right, try that. Oh yeah, that feels better. Oh dear, it's turning in the rubber. Turned my tap into more of a bottoming tap, added a bit of lubrication to the task. Gripped this a little tighter. Hopefully we'll get a bit more thread cut into it. Okay, let's see if that kind of works at all. Well, I'm pretty happy with that, actually. Okay, I'm gonna just mark this and cut it off. And, well, really, yeah. We should be back in business, right? Cool. Let's go see how it fits. Moment of truth. Definitely off center a little bit. I think we won. Remains to be seen how radio reception performs. She did mention that in the country, her radio was a bit fuzzy. In town it was good, but out here it was not very good. So guess we'll have to see. I think it'll work. I don't see any reason it won't. Haha.